walk us through the process of arriving at the covered transaction report? Paano ba yung proseso? How do we come up with yung covered transactions?
For para po sa bangko, ang covered transaction po ay pag nag-transact po ng mahigit 500,000 sa isang araw, nire-report na po yun ng
So
bangko.
basta 500,000 or more yung transaction, automatic i-report sa AMLAC yan.
Tama po.
So does it mean that it's a suspicious transaction basta ni-report sa inyo?
Hindi
Not
po.
necessarily.
Iba po yung suspicious transaction.
Okay. Then how do we arrive at yung total amount? Kasi nakakalula yung amount. Pagka tinignan mo, 3 billion, di ba? So, ibig ba sabihin yan, how do we compute itong transaction na ito? Kunyari ako, may nag-deposit sa akin na 501,000. That's considered one transaction.
Tama po.
Now, binalik ko sa nag-deposit sa akin. That's another transaction.
Tama po. Outflow naman.
So outflow naman yon. So magto-total ngayon yon na 1 million. Kasi may pumasok sa akin 500, may lumabas na 500. Tama ba, mali?
Tama po.
So ganun yon. So basta labas-pasok, nag-a-add to. So it doesn't mean na pagka sinabi natin may 3.9, billion, does it mean na merong 3.9 billion sa loob ng account?
Hindi ko po, kung base lang po sa records, hindi ko pa po masabi.
Hindi, pero ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, based dito sa ni-report kasi amount involved, 3,772,000,000. Ang tinatanong ko itong 3,772,000,000, this is a total amount ng lumabas, pumasok, ganun.
Tama po, transactions
Kagaya ang
po
sinabi
siya.
mo,
Total po ng transaction.
Baka nag-deposit sa akin 500, lumabas 500, kinekwenta yon. So every time naglalabas-pasok, nagdadagdag yon.
Yung sa theoretical lang po, pero for this case po, hindi ko po masabi yun.
Ay, hindi mo masabi. Pero maaaring ganon.
Theoretically, posible po yun sinasabi.
Oo. Now, I would also like to point out, kasi napansin ko, we started 2005, di ba? Yung report na binigay nyo, 2005 to 2025.
Apo.
Oh, I just also like to put it on record that an impeachable officer can only be impeached for actions involving her term, during her term as an impeachable officer. So sumobra tayo ng ng 14 years. But regardless, I just want to point it out. Ang dapat na pagtuunan natin ng pansin actually from 2019 to present. 2022 to present, di ba? Kasi doon lang nagsimula eh. Now babalikan ko nung 2022.
Do you think that we're going to be capable?
Wala na yung sinulatan ko. Nung 2022, may pumasok sa account niya. Well, yung na-flag ng AMLA, nung 2022, which was the time she was Vice President, 41 million. Yun yung lumabas-pasok sa account. Nung 2023, 4.7 million. Yun yung lumabas-pasok sa account. Nung 2024, 13.4 million. Yun yung lumabas-pasok sa account. Noong 2025, 1 million na lang ang lumabas-pasok sa account. Tama ba? Based doon sa
Based
report.
on
I
records.
just want to
Yeah.
be clarified para lahat tayo clarified dito sa mga numero na ito.
Based on records, tama po.
Oo. So based from 2022, siguro ang lumabas-pasok sa account niya,
Now, the reason why I want you guys to meet me here,
45,
because this is where Junior lives with me. I
58,
just want you to see the
59,
difference
mga
between
60 million
how he lives
in the
your
past.
house and how he lives in
From
mine.
2022 to 2026, in the past 4 years. Tama, mali?
Watch it from here. We're gonna go inside.
Hindi ko po masuma on the
And,
spot.
sinuma ko
Madam
galing
Maybe you
sa
can
report niyo
make
ito eh.
reference, Honorable Suntay, to that
Yes, I'm
particular page
referencing
where you are
from
reading.
what they submitted. Kasi nagka-breakdown kanina eh. Di ba, nagbigay kayo ng breakdown kung magkano lumabas pumasok noong 2005, magkano lumabas pumasok noong 2006, noong 2007, noong 2008, noong 2009. Inad ko lang mula 2022 hanggang 2025.
More or less po.
Oo, mga ganon. Okay. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
I want you to
thank
see
you.
that with my family, he
Madam
made
Chair,
The Honorable